Good morning, students. I am here to teach you class 10th subject Sanskrit. In previous class, I teach you the story Yasya Jannam Tasya Maranam. If you remember, are you remember? यस्य जन्म तस्य मरणम, जिसने जन्म लिया है उसका मरना निश्चित है. Who born in this earth, one day he will die surely. मतलब उसका मरना तो निश्चित है ही, ये संसार का नियम है. So we written that day also some word meaning, and today I also written. If here you see a new word, then you write down, and whom do not written the word, all word write down, and some I think some new word is here. That day I written some previous day some another word. And the story you remember, एक वृत्तदास होता है और एक कुटनाथ होते हैं, दोनों मित्र होते हैं. They both are friend, neighbor. Vrittas was a very rich man but very greedy, and the Putnath, his neighbor, think that इनको सबक सिखानी चाहिए कि I will do something that he became shy, वो लज्जित हो जाए. तो वो एक he thinks वो एक उपाय सोचता है, और वो one day he go to the Vrittas's house and ask for some utensil, and said that some guests come in my house, so give me please some your utensil, and I will after using that utensil I will return you day after tomorrow. Then by the nature of neighbor, मतलब by the duty of neighbor, पड़ोसी का धर्म होता है ना हेल्प करना, तो वो by the duty of neighbor Vrittas gave the Putnath some utensil, and after using Putnath returned the utensil him with some new and small utensil also. So Vrittas became happy to see the new some another utensil. He said that not it is mine, but he became very happy कि वो मैंने दिया तो इसके बदले मुझे एक्स्ट्रा बर्तन भी मिल गए. Then again he gave, then sometimes the Putnath again go to his house with Das's house for some utensil, मतलब लेने के लिए वो फिर से गए कि please give me some utensil today also. Then greedy Vrittas think that day we find the utensil extra, so he gave him his all utensil to Putnath, because he was greedy that he will give me some another utensil also. So when he gave Putnath utensil, the Putnath did not return. Sometimes after Vrittas think that till now Putnath is not returned my utensil, so he go to Putnath and ask him that please give me my utensil, you don't return me. Then Putnath says that all your utensil was died. So this is the story, and I am telling you. So open your book. The chapter is 11 and the page number is 49. तो वही है कि इसमें यही कहा गया है कि जिसका जन्म हुआ है वो तो मरेगा ही. पहली बार जब उन्होंने अपने यूटेंसिल लौटाए तो उन्होंने बोला विथ अनदर यूटेंसिल, तो उन्होंने बोला कि आपने जो मुझे यूटेंसिल ये बच्चे हुए हैं, मेरे घर पे इसने बच्चे दिए, उसका जन्म हुआ है, उस यूटेंसिल के बच्चों का जन्म हुआ है। और दूसरी बार जब वो मांगने आए तो बोले कि सारे यूटेंसिल तो मर गए। तो यही इस चैप्टर में है कि जिसका जन्म होता है उसका मरना निश्चित है। तो ये देखते हैं, स्टार्ट से पढ़ते हैं हम लोग शुरू से। अस्ति वित्तदासो नाम प्रभुत लोभ समृद्ध कश्चित वणिक जनः। There is a rich merchant. There is a very rich merchant who is very greedy, named Vittadasha. तस्य कूटनाथः विधः वैश्य प्रातिवेशिका आसीत्। प्रातिवेशिका means neighbor and अभिधा मतलब होता है नाम। तो he had a neighbor, आसित है ना पास्ट आ गया, तो he had a neighbor merchant named कूटनाथ। एकदा कूटनाथेन चिन्तितं यदाहं वित्तदासः धनिको अपि लुब्धो वर्तते। Once कूटनाथ think that ये जो है वित्तदास is very rich but he is very greedy, so अतः केनापि उपायेन मया असौ वञ्चनीयः। So he should be pulled by me by any means, किसी भी तरह से उसे मैं ठगता हूँ। एवं विचारे सः कूटनाथः एकदा वित्तदासस्य गृहम् उपगम्य अकथयत्। ऐसा विचार करके he after thinking it, he कूटनाथः once go to the वित्तदास's house and said, वो श्रेष्ठिन अस्माकं बहवः कुटुम्बीजनाः श्वः अतिथयः भविष्यन्ति। ओ सेठ, ओ फ्रेंड, कुछ भी कि tomorrow so many guests come into my house, so please give me your utensil. तेषाम् अर्थे भोजनादि निर्माणाय कानिचित् पात्राणि कृपया मह्यं यच्छतु। So for making the food for him, I want some utensil of you. परस्वतानि प्रत्यर्पयिष्यामि, so day after tomorrow I will return you. प्रातिवेशिक धर्म भावेन वित्तदासः कूटनाथाय पात्राणि प्रायच्छत्। So by the duty of a neighbor, वित्तदास gave some utensil to कूटनाथ। पात्रोपयोगावसाने कूटनाथः पात्राणि प्रत्यर्पयितुं वित्तदासस्य गृहम् आगच्छत्। After using that utensil, कूटनाथ पात्राणि वो यूटेंसिल को for returning that utensil with दास's house goes to the with दास's house। तै पात्रै सः कूटनाथः अन्यानि कानिचित् लघूनि नूतनानि पात्राणि अपि तत्र स्थापितवान्। तो उन पात्रों के साथ with that utensil कूटनाथ gave him another some small and new utensil also। लघुनां नूतनानां पात्राणां दर्शनेन विस्मितः वित्तदासः कूटनाथम् अपृच्छत्। Small and new some other utensil after seeing surprisingly वित्तदास asked to कूटनाथ भो वयस्य एतानि पात्राणि मम न सन्ति। तो बोल रहे कि अरे ओ फ्रेंड, these all utensils are not mine, कूटनाथ अकथयत्। Then कूटनाथ replied, मित्र यानि पात्राणि भवता दत्तानि तानि मम गृहे रात्रौ प्रसुतानि। कूटनाथ then said that friend, which utensil you give me, that all gave birth in my house last night। एतानि लघूनि नूतनानि पात्राणि भवतः पात्राणाम् अपत्यानि सन्ति। तो these all new and small utensils are your utensils, baby। अपत्य रूपे नूतनानि पात्राणि सम्प्राप्य वित्तदासः प्रसन्नः जातः। So the having got the new utensils as a young ones, वित्तदासः became happy। व्यतीतेषु कतिपयेषु दिवसेषु कूटनाथः पुनरपि वित्तदासं पात्रार्थं प्रार्थयत। मतलब कुछ दिन बीतने के बाद after some times when some days passed, the कूटनाथ again goes to the वित्तदास फॉर द यूटेंसिल, वो यूटेंसिल मानने के लिए। प्रदत्तेभ्यो पात्रेभ्यः अपि अधिकानां पात्राणां लाभो भविष्यति इति दुर्मत्या प्रेरितो वित्तदासः तस्मै सर्वाणि इष्टानि पात्राणि दत्तवान्। So instead of my utensil, the Vittadas gave him all desired utensil. वो उनके जो अपने इष्ट पात्र थे, वित्तदास gave him all desired utensil because he was greedy, and by this wrong thinking that we give him the utensil instead of my utensil, I will got so many other utensil also. By this wrong thinking, Vittadas gave all desired utensil to Kutnath. व्यतीते अपि एक मासे यदा कूटनाथः पात्राणि न प्रत्यर्पितवान् तदा चिन्तामपन्नः वित्तदासः कूटनाथगृहं गत्वा स्वकीयानि पात्राणि अयाचत। सो व्यतीते भी एक मासे मतलब कुछ महीना बीतने के बाद, इवन आफ्टर 1 month passed, when Kutnath not return the utensil of Vittadas goes to the Kutnath's house for asking his own utensil. Kutnath Shashokam Agathayat Bhavatam Sarvani Patrani Mritani. Then Kutnath replied him sorrowfully, then your all utensils died. Your all utensils were died. Your all utensils died. Vittadasa kopavishtha san akatyat evam katham bhavet. Then Vittadasa became angry and asked how it can happen. मतलब ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? How it can happen? वो वंचक, तुम मिथ्यावदर्शी, ओ चीटर, you are telling wrong, you are telling a lie. निर्जीवानां पात्राणां मरणं कथं भविष्यति? So how is it death in animated utensils possible? कैसे ये संभव है निर्जीव का मरना? कूटनाथ धैर्यम अवलंबे शांत वचसा अवदत. Then Kutnath politely and Vittadasa धैर्य politely and with courage said, महोदय यदि पात्राणां जन्म भवति तर्हि तेषां मरणमपि भवति. So sir, if utensils can give a birth, then give a birth of a small utensil, then how can there will be doubt about their death? So कैसे ये उसके डेथ के बारे में कैसा संशय? यदि पात्राणां जन्म भवति, if utensils can give a birth of a small utensil, then तर्हि तेषां मरणमपि भवति. So how can it will be doubt? इसमें संदेह क्या है उसके मरने में? पूर्वं जातानि पात्राणि भवतः गृहे विलसन्ति. जो being the born before, पूर्वं जातानि पात्राणि, the utensil born before, or that the पूर्वं जातानि पात्राणि भवते गृहे विलसन्ति. The utensil born before is happy or shining in your house, yani patrani bhavat dattani tani mam grihe mitrani, and which utensil you give me, that all are died in my house. Tatra aham kim kartum samartha. So what should I do? अब मैं क्या करूँ कहने का मतलब, in that matter. So what should I do in that matter? पश्य सी जन्म भवति पात्राणां मरणे संशयः कथं जगति यत् समुत्पन्नं नश्यति सर्वथा ध्रुवं जन्म भवति पात्राणां मतलब if the having got the utensil जन्म भवति पात्राणां बोल रहा है the born the utensil का जो जन्म होता है the utensil can born then how it is if the utensil give birth janma bhavati if the utensil can give birth then how can there will be doubt about their death marne sansaya katham then how how there will be doubt तो इसमें संशय कैसा होगा how will be doubt about the death of them जगति यत् समुत्पन्नं नश्यन्ति सर्वथा ध्रुवम् so the जो भी anybody born in this world his death is he is die surely he will die surely they will die जन्मं भवति पात्राणां अगर utensil if the utensil can give birth then how it is how there will be doubt of their death जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि इस संसार में the who born in this world the surely they will die सो यही इसका मेन सार यही है कि यस जन्म तस्य मरणम तो जैसे कि आदमी है व्यक्ति है मनुष्य है कोई भी प्राणी है गाय बकरी जो भी है जिनका जन्म हुआ है उसका मरना इस संसार में निश्चित है बट वो उसी चीज को लेकर के वो उनको सबक सिखा वो लोभी था फ्रेंड तो उनको बोला कि आपके जो यूटेंसिल आपने जो बर्तन दिए उसमें जन्म दिए तो कुछ बर्तन उसके साथ दे दिया तो वो खुश हो गया बट दोबारा जब वो मांगा तब वो बोल रहा है कि वो तो सारे बर्तन आपके मर गए तो वो सोचा कि ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि बर्तन निर्जीव पदार्थ कैसे मरेंगे तो वो बोलता है कि यस्य जन्म तस्य मरणम फिर उसे समझाया कि जो भी इस यहाँ पे इफ द यूटेंसिल कैन बॉर्न इफ द यूटेंसिल कैन गिव बर्थ अनदर यूटेंसिल देन हाउ यू डाउट अबाउट इन हिज डेथ तो the people who born in this world one day they will die surely so this is the chapter yes janam tasya maranam तो और chapter we teaches you the अर्थ बता दिया मैंने मीनिंग हो गए अब इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर है जो हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में सारे एक्सरसाइज ले लेंगे क्योंकि एक्सरसाइज ज़्यादा है 2 पेज का है तो नेक्स्ट क्लास में पार्ट 3 करके इस चैप्टर को कंप्लीट कर लेंगे यस जन्म तस्य मरणम यू रीड दिस चैप्टर प्रॉपरली कामली एंड अच्छे से और ये जो वर्ड है इसको देख करके मीनिंग लगाना और कहानी को समझना कहानी इज इजी आई टेल यू सो आज के लिए इतना ही नेक्स्ट क्लास में फिर मिलते हैं इसी चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज के साथ तो तब तक के लिए स्टे सेफ स्टे होम वर्ड मीनिंग कितने हो गए हैं सारे वर्ड मीनिंग आप लोगों ने लिख लिए हैं The chapter is not so hard chapter is easy स्टोरी पहले जान लेना चाहिए कि स्टोरी में है क्या स्टोरी में है कि नाम से ही जैसा पता है यस्य जन्म तस्य मरणम जिसका जन्म हुआ है इस संसार में उसका मरना निश्चित है तो ये स्टोरी यही है, इन शॉर्ट, इन समरी आई एम टेलिंग यू कि टू फ्रेंड, देयर इज अ टू फ्रेंड वित्तदास एंड कूटनाथ. वित्तदास इज वेरी रिच पर्सन बट ही इज ग्रीडी, वो लोभी था. तो कूटनाथ उनका नेबर था, वो सोचा कि ये इतना धनी है, ही इज सो रिच बट वाई ही इज ग्रीडी, उसे तो किसी चीज़ की कमी नहीं है, फिर वो क्यों लोभी है, तो इसे कुछ सबक सिखाना चाहिए. थिंक अबाउट, थिंक अ ट्रिक टू, उसको इस बात का पता चलाने के लिए. देन ही गोज टू हिम फॉर bringing some utensil by his home, and he said that some guests come in my house, so for him we make so many food, so please give your some utensil, I will return it after use, after using them. Then Vidyadhas by the duty, समझ करके duty of neighbor, he gave him utensils, and day after using that, the Kutnath returned that utensil with some new and small utensil also. Then Vidyadhas, after seeing that, said that this is not mine, these all utensils small and new are not mine. But the Kutnath said that you gave me the utensil that gave birth at my house in last night. So Vidyadhas, Vidyadhas after seeing the getting that utensil small and new, become that utensils baby become very, the Vidyadhas become very happy. And after some time, Kutnath again goes to his house for bringing some utensil again. Then by greediness, वो लोभीपना के कारण, Vidyadhas gave him all utensil which he desired, जो उन्हें पसंद थे, जो अच्छे अच्छे थे, सारे दे दिए कि सारे के वो बच्चे मुझे दे देगा, सारे का छोटा छोटा रूप दे देगा. तो वो कुछ समय तक, आफ्टर सम टाइम्स, he not return the utensil. Then Vidyadhas goes to Kutnath for asking about his utensil, why you are not return my utensil. Then when he asked, the Kutnath said that which utensil you give me, that all are died. Then Vidyadhas become angry, and he said that how it is possible, जो निर्जीव है, जिसमें जान ही नहीं है, वो कैसे मर सकता है. Then Kutnath said that if the utensil gave birth, then it will die surely, because जो भी people और जो भी living being in this world gave birth, जो भी मतलब जन्म लिया है, जो भी आया है, who came in this world, they all surely die, they will all surely die. उसका सबका मरना निश्चित है. तो इसमें संशय कैसा. तो इसलिए वो श्लोक भी है लास्ट में कि जो पात्र अगर जन्म ले सकता है, कोई भी पात्र, तो उसको मर भी सकता है. जैसे कि इस संसार में जो भी ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं, जो भी क्रिएचर हैं, जो पैदा लिए हैं, who born in this world, they all surely will die. उनका मरना निश्चित है. यस्य जननम तस्य मरणम. One who give the one who born in this world, they will surely die. उनको मरना. यही इस कहानी का सार है. उसे सबक मिल गया, तो वो समझ गया कि उसको इस तरह से समझा दिया वो ग्रीडी मैन को. तो दिस इज द स्टोरी, एंड यू learn properly, and next day we will take the exercise and complete this chapter. Don't worry, and slowly and gradually we complete all things, and stay safe and stay blessed.